What's up, Cheevers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the Tamiya 1/24 scale Subaru Impreza WRC 2001 in the full race livery. Subaru. These flat kits never have too much information on the outsides of the boxes. There is a nice picture there of detailed interior chassis, and they don't really ever tell you much about them, other than, you see that, and it's probably going to be a good kit. So we're going to pop the top and flip it and check it, and printed on the inside of the box. Information concerning this kit. Care should be taken when blah blah blah. Right away we can see it's molded in color, which we'll get to that in a minute. The instruction booklets for these are usually fairly in-depth and detailed, how it goes together, what parts should or shouldn't be glued, placement, decals, etc. And this is quite a large one. It just keeps going and going and going and going and going. Oh my goodness. And speaking of going and going, look at the decal location page. Okay, so we'll get right into the decals of this kit. Safety first. Staples. Interesting. Usually they're just taped or folded. Come on. Get out of there. It's got some photo etched parts, it looks like. Some chrome bits. Probably light reflectors, interior reflectors, the masking for the windows to mask off and get the I never know what to call it at that point. I say go two different decal sheets. Looks like carbon fiber hoods, some nice seatbelt decals. Good sheet of race stuff here. Very cool. Different countries, different sponsors, all kinds of sponsor decals. And then the manufacturer decals, the Subaru. Oh, dig that neon green. That is pretty cool. It's got a really nice color to it. It's almost a little flat, a matte coat on the green part. That's nice. Those are going to look good. It's going to take some patience to get those on, but they look to be in good shape. And then the windshield sealant, I don't know, what do you call it, area. So let's get right to the body. Molded in the blue that it shows on the box. Meaning you could theoretically just put this thing together the way it is, put the decals on it and call it done. Except for these weird lines on the roof. Something to do with when it was made, molded, printed, however they make these things. That's pretty bad. I mean, I've got some nice blue. I'm sure I'm going to wind up painting it anyways, but other than that, everything looks good. Got nice, crisp lines, panel lines, good details on the body components like the handles and the fenders, and looks good. Looks really good. That's going to paint up really well. I don't see any flash or short shots or anything too hideous other than again, those lines. And then more blue. So, I mean, I guess it does give me a reference for which way to go to when I go to paint it, what parts are what. Really good details on the underside. Really good. Except for the, again, those interesting, not sure what that's about, but, you know, if you were to put it together without any kind of paint or anything, it would look weird. They look like stretch marks. I don't know how else to explain them. Nice roll cage assembly. That looks like that'll go together relatively, you know, hassle-free. Some interior components. That looks like fender wells or something. Looks pretty solid. Nice and good. Plastic feels good. So that's pretty nice. And then one of the first dark tree, black and gray, it looks like. It's like interior, door cards, seats. Oh, good looking seats. Wow. Yeah, those look nice. Those are going to look really good in there. With carbon decals on them. Huh, interesting. Nice highly detailed dashboard with some ugly, what is that? It's got stretch marks everywhere. You know, another more interior components. Looks like a air scoop and a breather, a filter of some sort. Or underside components. Looks like the bottom of the transmission, bottom of the engine. Some fans and disc brakes with really good details on those. Those will paint up nice. These higher-end Tamiya kits, the little bit more expensive ones, in my experience, are really nice. They go together really well. Could just put this thing together the way it goes, and it would probably come out pretty nice. More underside engine components, suspension components. Looks like it's probably got posable steering. More brake parts. Oh, a helmet. 2 helmets. And they're split in the middle. Well, guys. So that's going to be tricky to glue those and put them together with no seam lines. Some CV axles and springs and shocks. The really good looking wheels. And this gold bronze. Let's get some of the tires out too. And then in this bag that the tires are in, there's some mesh, little pieces of mesh for like the screens and the filters and the air filters and stuff. It's a rally car. So nice looking set of meats there. And those gold wheels with that blue. Come on, gimme. And the neon. Yes. Wabber. See these a lot around here. I mean, not in full race livery, but you do see a fair amount of Subarus with aftermarket products on them. I think it's the state car. I think like you're required to own one. Window single piece always makes for a nicer, cleaner installation. Not sure what those are. Race windows? I don't know. I don't know what those are. We'll find out. And then other, various. Looks like more foil more foil parts in here too for like the mirror and the side markers. Very cool. And then the last piece, the transparents, red and orange. Very cool. No need to paint with the clear orange or clear red. So that's pretty cool. It's looks like it's going to be a nice kit. It's going to be a nice build. I'm looking forward to it. The Tamiya Subaru Impreza 1/24 scale, so it's going to look sort of strange parked next to this guy, 1/25 scale. I've not done an unboxing for this one. I don't know if I will. This was a Facebook auction win. It's all there. It's all complete. The only thing that's been done to it is somebody took literally the only thing that's been done is someone took the motor parts and glued them together, the two motor halves. So that's it. Because this is a full motor kit. This one is not. The Tamiya, they very rarely are. This one, but they're different scales. So that's going to look weird parked next to each other. Look at the size difference there. But whatever. Subaru. So we're going to have a Subaru Fest. And this one also came with some really neat decals. But we're going to get those built pretty soon. And then we also have coming up MR2. So we'll do a unboxing and or build of this pretty soon. Fujimi MR2. So everybody does it for the box of this super cool Subaru Impreza WRC, pre-painted Tamiya. Good stuff. It'll look sharp. All stanced out. Stance life, bruh. Alright, thanks for watching.